Tiled steps at homes and businesses look great, but they can also be very slippery. Today, we will show you how to apply Slip No More anti-slip tape to increase the safety of your steps. First, make sure that your steps are clean and free of oil and grease. Using paint thinners or similar cleaning product will work just perfect. Measure out the length of the required strip and cut that piece from the roll. Next, peel a small section of the backing paper away to expose the part of the tape that is sticky. Start from one side and stick the tape down in sections. This way, you'll be sure to install the tape in a straight line. Once the strip has been placed onto the step, use a small paint roller to apply pressure to the tape, as this will activate the glue. Remember to only apply anti-slip tape when your steps are dry. If your steps are exposed to a lot of water, cut the grout lines out so that the water doesn't cause the tape to peel.